In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a folder in Notion. While Notion doesn't have traditional folders, you can organize your workspace using parent pages and subpages. Let's get started. Open your Notion workspace and click the New Page button in the left sidebar. Give the page a name that describes what you'll store inside, such as projects, notes, recipes, or work. This new page will act as your folder. To add pages inside it, either create new subpages by clicking New Page while you're inside the parent page, or drag existing pages from the sidebar onto the parent page. When you drop a page onto another page, Notion automatically turns it into a subpage. In the sidebar, you'll see a small arrow next to the parent page. Click the arrow to expand or collapse the subpages, making your workspace much cleaner and easier to navigate. You can always drag subpages out of the parent page later if you want to reorganize your workspace. That's how to create a folder in Notion using pages and subpages. Thanks for watching.